How to buy FIT24 token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. Before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So before going on with this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel too. So as you can see, this token now it's available on xt.com. So if you have an account on xt.com, just go and open your account. So after that, what you need to do is just search for the token, the symbol of the token, which will be FIT24, as you can see. So after you find this pair here, the USDT, click on it. So now you'll be able to trade this token. So after that, click on buy option here and click on the limit. So here set how much you want to buy of the token, and here we'll be able to see how much of that USDT you have in your account to use it to buy this token. After that, click on buy FIT24. So if you select the market here, you can drag this to set how much your percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to buy this token. So after that, click on buy FIT24 to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy FIT24 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.